Hello, Rosavensky here, back with another Redstone video. Now this is a hexadecimal display. It takes hexadecimal numbers and displays them on that display right there. Now if you didn't know, Minecraft's Redstone is hexadecimal. That is to say, it can have a value of either 0 or 15. Can I see that here? As you can see over here, it starts with a strong signal, 15, and weans its way down to 0, in which case it needs to repeat itself. So we can use that value in Redstone to encode information. So first off, we actually need a hexadecimal number to read from, and there's a lot of things that can give off hexadecimal numbers, specifically with a comparator. So like, the amount of items in the chest, a comparator will read that and give off a hexadecimal number. But those we got here is a lectern, and once we put a book in this lectern, it will turn that value to 1, and that display will turn from 0, 0 to 0, 1. And as you can see, it does do that. Now, unfortunately, we use lecterns a lot in these hexadecimal type builds to control the value of redstone. However, when you have a book on it, it always stays on page 1. Page 1 reads off 1 value. So you can't have a value of 0 when there's a book in here. But flipping to page 2 should just, yeah, because of that, page 1 and 2 both read off the same value. So flipping to page 3 though should change that to 2. And flipping that to page 4 should change that to 3, and so on and so forth. However, as you can see over here, this is our ROM, or read-only memory. Basically, this tells the display what number to display. However, hexadecimal is number 0 between 15, and there's only 10 ROM cells here. So how does that work? Well, it's pretty simple. This circuit over here, this is the decoder for the hexadecimal. It takes in the hexadecimal number and decodes it. It also only goes between 1 and 10. However, we have a sync back here, and what this does is it tells it that once it reaches strength level 10, it tells it to subtract 10 from this value right here, therefore switching it so if you had a value of 10, it would subtract it and put in 0. However, there's a flag register over here, so that when it does have a value of 10, it tells this 1 to turn on. So it turns on 1 and then 0. So I'm just going to show you how that works. If we flip this to 11 should be the right one. It goes to 10, and you can see over here it is displaying a value of 0 from the decoder. However, this line is turned off, therefore allowing a 1 to be displayed. And this allows us to save space on ROM memory cells and makes it a lot more compact. If we displayed every value between 0 and 15, we would have about 6 more lines of redstone here on this side, and over there it would make it like twice as large. So this allows it to be a lot more compact. Now this isn't really an impressive system by itself, but this is just part 1 of a project I'm doing. See, I'm going to build this in survival Minecraft. Basically, this whole display area can fit in a 7x7 area, and there's a 7x7 clock tower you may have seen in my first Minecraft video, the SMP tour. It was that clock tower. I plan on putting this display in it, and then at the base there will be inputs, and it will lead from this whole machine here. And what it's just going to do is it's going to display the time of day. And I'm going to do that with a daylight sensor. So, for example, if I get the daylight sensor right now, it actually will display a level between 0 and 16 based on the time of day. So as you can see, we currently have a level of 8. So it is 8 o'clock in Minecraft. And you can see over here, it is displaying an 8. However, after a while, it should change. Oh, it did change. It changed to 9. So yeah, as the sun goes down, value goes up, and so on, so forth. So I plan on using this in my Minecraft SMP to tell the time. With that being said, there's nothing really left to cover here, so I'm gonna go get to work on that machine right away. If you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon. If you like the content, make sure to like and subscribe. But this is goodbye.